What's up, A1 trading community? And today we're going to be breaking down all the indices: NAS100, US30, SPX500. Listen, y'all, it's getting really crazy right now because we continue to make like record highs in the market, and because of that, we have to remember, the higher that we go, the more danger that we have of falling. And that's not to be like a bear, because I'm not a bear. I think overall this year we will go higher, but alongside with that, we will, in my opinion, have one, I don't want to say a gigantic crash, but we will see a healthy correction over time. We haven't seen that yet, but inflation rates continue to worry investors and to be on the mind of how much higher can we go. As y'all know, we also had a stimulus that was pumped out. I think it was like $1,400. Now we're kind of seeing like the aftermath of that, like what's happening after the stimulus was given, alongside with other factors. So with that being said, let's just break this down. Let's see what's happening, and let's see how we can trade it and be careful in this market environment. All right, so here we go. All right, y'all, so firstly, I'm gonna start with US30. Y'all, a couple weeks ago, I had some analysis here about what was the pair going to do. All right, so today, well, the 25th of March, which was 5 days ago, we hit this level here that I talked about, a significant support level that was hit right here around 32287, but we kept going and we went all the way down to 32101. This is what Nick and I often talk about. You cannot like predict or execute the perfect entry. It is not possible. But I did tell y'all I like this level of 32287 because price has touched this level before. Now, it may have not touched it historically, but I thought this would still be a good level. But come to find out, we touched here around 32102, which historically, and when I say historically, I mean like really like recent history. So recent, it was on the 10th of March. Then we got the 9th of March. Then we have the 8th of March. And then we even have the 25th of February of this year. Price touched this many times. And because of that, we see that price has bounced up, kind of with what I said with my analysis. Now, of course, I didn't predict that it was going to go all the way down here, as you can see on this trend line. But I did say we will probably see a bounce, a hit right here, and then a bounce. Yes, I was off. It was not the perfect analysis, but it was very close. As y'all can see, we just went right into this 20-day moving average here. Price went through it, and then it hit the support level of 32102, and now it's reversed. Now, if I was to trade US30, once again, to me, I would kind of look for the same setup. So prices hit here. I would not get in here. I would wait again for more dip to happen and look around here. Okay, let me say out this level for you all. I would look for around here, 32639. I would see what price wants to do, because in my opinion, price, we will see a healthy correction, but I do believe price will always bounce back because, things are still lifting after the pandemic. It's still happening, and the more it happens, the stronger our economy is going to be. I believe, I don't know, is everywhere in the United States like open again, but I know, like a lot of other states are now open that weren't before. So that is my analysis for US30. I would wait for the sell-off or the correction. Then I would see where price would bounce, and I would have like a support level there just to gauge it. And if it doesn't hit it exactly, I wouldn't have a buy limit set in place. I would wait. I would wait until I feel like, okay, I think it's time. Now, you cannot plan that perfectly. I can't say that enough. So it's based off your own like analysis and your intuition of the history of what the price has done to factor in before you execute the trade. Okay, so let's move on to NAS100. Again, analysis is very close, not perfect, but very close. I had a support level here at 12793.70. I did this before. I did not just do this. If you go back to recent videos, you will see this support line right here. Okay, and I picked that support line once again because price has historically touched it. It's a significant support zone or resistance zone for NAS100. Okay, and look what has happened. Price has bounced right off this support zone, and now it's going back. Now this is also another significant level that we need to think about, and that is the 50-day moving average. From what I can see, around 13200. But actually, no, I'm sorry. It's 13194.19. This is a very significant resistance zone for NAS100. Again, I drew. This is the range bound market that we're in with NAS100. It's very choppy because we're staying right into this zone. You see, so again, you kind of want to look for the breakout, in my opinion. So I wouldn't move until I see price is either broke above this level or price is going against this level and breaking it. Because if I get in right here, I'm running the risk that price could come back and stomp me out. And I would probably be looking for a swing on this trade, to be honest with you all. Okay? All right, so that's my analysis for NAS100. I'm looking at this support zone right here and this resistance level right here to see where I want to go about things. All right, SPX500. Again, very similar to NAS. Dang, as you can see, I was really trading SPX back in the day. But as you all can see in recent time, again, this significant support line right here. Again, I drew this before, like this video started. You can go back in past videos and see. But now price is like above the line, as we can see. So we kind of want to wait for the same thing. We want to wait for that drop down, that dip, as they say. Buy the dip. That's what we're waiting on. The dip. Okay. Well, that's how I usually trade. I like to see a nice healthy dip and then get in on the action here. So I'm thinking it's the same thing. We're gonna see a dip here and then a bounce back up. I like this support zone right here, and then I kind of like this right here. Same thing. I'm gonna look for these levels, which is 3890.73 if y'all want to write it down, and 3856.01. It's just one of those things with trading. You have to wait. You have to be patient to see a great setup, and then you want to get in on it so you don't miss out. But that's how I'm kind of looking at these things. And look at here. If you look at this trend line that's also happening here, this is a good trend line as well. Which again, this trend line is also like a correlation to that support zone right there, or support line. So that's my analysis for today, y'all. I hope you absolutely enjoyed it. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up if you learned something, or if you agree with my analysis. And if you don't, please drop it in the comments down below. I'm always down to discuss and have a healthy discussion about what I see in the markets and about my analysis. We can always all get better at trading, and we can do that by, of course, practicing, but also discussing among each other to get better at it in general. So definitely let me know what you all think about that. And be sure to subscribe to the A1 Trading team if you're new. And a link is in the description for the A1 Trading Discord, where you'll get real-time trades for our analysis. You'll get articles. You'll get chat rooms with other traders. There's so much that you can get to become a better trader, and we are so glad to provide that for you all. And yeah, I hope you all enjoyed my analysis. Once again, if you have any questions, leave it in the comments down below. If you want to just have a nice discussion about my analysis, you can message me on Discord, or you can drop a comment and we can discuss it. All right, I believe that's all I have for you all, and I hope you have an amazing day.